Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Sketch. Figma stands out as a cloud-based, collaborative design platform, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously in real time. Sketch, on the other hand, is a powerful Mac OS native application, traditionally favored by individual designers for its robust offline capabilities. The fundamental difference lies in their core architecture: web-first collaboration versus desktop-centric power, influencing how teams approach their design workflows and project management. When it comes to collaboration and accessibility, Figma truly shines. Its browser-based nature enables seamless, real-time multi-user editing from any operating system, fostering incredible teamwork. Sketch, while powerful, requires third-party plugins and cloud services to achieve similar collaborative functionality, and it remains exclusive to Mac OS. This means Figma offers unparalleled flexibility for distributed teams, allowing designers to access and contribute to projects from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. Both Figma and Sketch offer comprehensive feature sets for modern UI/UX design, including vector editing, prototyping, and robust design system management. Figma excels with its extensive plugin community and strong emphasis on developer handoff, streamlining the transition from design to development. Sketch also boasts a rich plugin ecosystem and deep integration within the Mac OS environment, appealing to those who prefer a native desktop experience. Each tool provides powerful capabilities, catering to slightly different workflow preferences and integration needs. Considering pricing and target audience, Figma provides a very generous free tier, making it accessible for individuals and small projects, with scalable paid plans for larger teams. Sketch operates on a subscription model, primarily serving Mac OS users who value a native application experience. Figma is often the preferred choice for large organizations and teams requiring cross-platform access and extensive real-time collaboration. Sketch continues to be a strong contender for individual designers and smaller, Mac OS-centric studios who prioritize desktop performance and a familiar ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.